Most people don't talk about money the way it actually feels. They talk about returns, markets, strategies, success stories, but they don't talk about the quiet stress, the feeling that even with a good salary, something still feels fragile. The late night mental math, the pressure to be further ahead by now. I've spent the last 13 years working inside the world of finance. And here's what I've learned. The industry often makes money sound more complicated than it needs to be. Not because it's impossible to understand, but because it's wrapped in jargon, acronyms, and language that feels intimidating. Behind all of that, the core ideas are actually simple. This channel exists to translate that world, to break down financial concepts, behavioral patterns, and long-term wealth principles into clear, calm conversations anyone can understand. Through simple animation and thoughtful storytelling, I explain not just how money works, but why it feels the way it does. No hype, no hustle culture, no pretending that building wealth is dramatic. Just honest, grounded explanations from someone who's spent over a decade watching how money systems really operate and how real people navigate them. If you want clarity instead of noise, if you're tired of financial jargon that makes you feel behind, if you want to build something stable, slowly, and thoughtfully, you're in the right place. Take a breath and subscribe if you're ready to understand money in a way that actually makes sense.